Hi guys, how are ya? This is Bo, this is Rocky, and this is the Dirt Devil Scorpion Plus Vacuum Cleaner. Good morning, good evening, bonjour, hallo, guten Abend. I'm tired. This bun looked like crap, so I had to kill it. Here it is. Here's my hair, my real hair, and not an ugly bun. Well, whatever. I'm chilling here with my baby, and actually another one. I don't know where he is. So I woke up this morning and I thought, shoes, nah. Sweatshirts, nah. Pants, no. Sneakers, no. Cosmetics, no. A new car, no. I know what I want today. I want a brand new vacuum cleaner. Bye-bye. Well, since I'm also a housewife, I need this shit. So I wanted to have the best one, but since I have no patience, I was on Google for like 5 minutes. I looked up all the ratings, and the Dirt Devil came up like with 4.5 out of 5 stars. So I wanted it. I went to Walmart and it was a disaster. I think I've had like 5 other ones in my hand. 30, 39, 49, 59 for pets, double power, triple power, quattro, whatever, and I had no idea. And I did not see this one. Why? Because the people at Walmart put this behind all of the other ones, so I couldn't find it. Not good. But since I have 2 brain cells, I was like, let's just dig. And I found it. It was originally 49, I don't know, 95 or something. And it was on sale for $44.95, but when I looked online, it said Walmart $39.95. So Walmart, you owe me $5. Just saying. I will open it for you today and see how it looks like, how it works, if it's easy to assemble, if there is anything to assemble. I don't know. We will see if this Dirt Devil is my new handheld vacuum cleaner. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I'm tired. Okay, enough talking. Let's open it up. So, it's the Dirt Devil upright power and hand vacuum convenience whatever Scorpion Plus. Powerful clean for home and auto. Did you say car? It says auto. That's really cool. For stair cleaning, whatever cleaning. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, first thing. Trash. Packed up really good. So this is the... Oh god, I need the description because I have no idea how these things are called in English. That's the Bürste. In German, that's the Staubsauger Aufsatz Bürste. We will see later what it's called. Trash. I recycle my trash, by the way, just letting you know. Okay, here it is. It's like unpacking a car. I've never unpacked a car. But it looks like a, I don't know, Ferrari something. Hey. Okay, that's stupid. But it looks like one. Look. Looks like a beautiful car. Well, can ride on a broom, maybe I can ride on this. But the electric cord I just read is 15 feet? 15 feet long? I don't know. So here you have that. Okay. Okay, let me see. Whatever. This is like not important. I think it's 15 feet. I peeked into the description online. Since it's 15 feet long, excuse me, I don't want to vacuum my neighbor's house. It's totally fine. Well, I would see if it's fine. I'm trying. I'm still trying. Okay, what's here? We have the description. What? Hey, you. You are now the owner of an awesome new Dirt Devil product. Many thanks for inviting us on your cleaning adventure. You're the best. Oh, I'm the best. How did I know? In love? Drop us a review on your favorite retailer's website, blah, blah, blah. Not feeling it? No need to. What? Head back to the store. Head back to the store. We've got your back. Give us a shout with any questions or issues so that we can make it right. That's nice. Look at this. Seems like there's a customer service, but we don't know. More trash. Empty. Wow. Nothing to assemble, like it's these two pieces. Really? If you saw my other videos, you know that I have no idea of any kind of electronics. So I just plug it in, and if it's not working, I just freak out. It said lightweight somewhere. I don't think it's so lightweight, to be honest. It's not heavy, but it's like medium. But maybe it's just because I'm weak. Whatever. So let's see. Manual. Plug in and slide here to power on, off, blah blah. Stair tool. I do not have stairs in my house. Everything is first floor. So what is it called? Stair tool? Number 1, stair tool. Let me see. You just call it stair tool? Use on carpet, stairs, upholstery and in your car. Adjust for convenient cleaning. Does this not have a name? Stair tool? That's the name? In Germany it's like, what is it? Staubsauger, Bürste, Aufsatz. Like vacuum, brush, attach thing, whatever you say. When finished cleaning, wrap the cord. Attach the plug to the cord and secure with Velcro strap. To be honest, that's so easy. Oh, wait. What? How to use. Quick flip crevice. Do I say that right? Crevice tool. Flip the crevice tool, the crevice tool, if I said that right, out and push in to clean cracks and crevices. Flip, push. Okay, it says flip. Oh, flip, push. That's it? Oh my god, that looks like a tongue. Just saying, it's the devil's tongue. Just saying. The powered stair and upholstery tool. Okay, I have to pull it. And attach it. Sorry, I didn't show you. Ooh. So, pull, click. And now the powered stair and upholstery tool. Brush roll. Woo! It's a brush roll. Finally, I know it. Into hand vacuum nozzle to attach. When unit is on, the powered brush roll will be on. Power brush roll. Power brush roll. Sorry. You know this is not my first language, so just say power brush roll. This sounds so sexy. The power brush roll has its own motor and a motor protective device. Should debris jam the brush roll and stop it from rotation, Switch unit off, remove the power brush roll from the unit, remove the debris jamming the brush roll, and reassemble the power brush roll. What? Then wait a few minutes prior to turning the unit on again. Okay. So, that's it. That's right. Good. I don't know how to. How do I remove this? To remove powered brush roll, gently pull tool away from the hand vacuum. I did that. Oh, gently? Come on! Maybe if your wrestler, it's gently. For me, it's like, I really should work out more. You know what I don't understand? Why is it in this position? That's wrong. Ah, you push this button and then you can, oops, don't break it. And then it's this way, like I want it. Nobody explained it to the blonde brunette girl. Man, I cannot have the excuse blonde anymore. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's plug it in. Okay, I have plugged it in, but when I start this now, my dogs will freak out. Just letting you know. Rocky? No. I told you. No. Oh. This smells new, like a new car or burnt or whatever. They don't fit out. Really? Let me put them away and then I show you. I'll be right back. Okay, I had to put the dogs into the sleeping room because they would just fight. Okay, here it is. Sound. So, my hair. So this is really strong. I like it a lot. And I guess, I hope it will pick up all my pet hair. Okay, let's remove it. But wait, was it really loud? Loud, but if it's strong, it's okay if it's loud. Okay, let me see, put this here for you. That's a smart video. Sorry. Okay, and now we do this flip. Ow! Okay, let's flip this and push it inside and see if this works. Very strong. Woo! Let's see. I just put some honey wheat puffs on my table and we will see if it works. Okay, that was like plain stupid because, well, it wasn't stupid. Now I know that the honey wheat puffs are too big. So I clip it back onto the vacuum cleaner and use this opening, the big opening. Let's see. up my honey wheat puffs. Here they are. That was great. Woohoo! Max power. Let's remove the filter. Let's try and remove the filter. Okay. Here we have our two pieces. And then I don't know. And then you can clean it. Ta-da! It's pretty easy. And put it back together. Ta-da! Okay, I will have to do some vacuuming now. Vacuuming. I will vacuum now. I will have to do some vacuuming. Vacuuming. And then I will see if I will keep it or not. But it looks really good. I like the devil. Wonder why. Okay, so you get this. You get the 15 feet cord. I guess it was 15 feet. I will put it in the description. You will get the brush. It says for the stairs, but use it everywhere. I mean, not everywhere. You get the description and you get the love note. You have a 2-year warranty in Spanish too. Hola! French, English. One more time. It says rinsable filter on board crevice tool, crevice tool or whatever it's called. Lightweight design. I need to work out. 15 feet cord length. And extra large, easy, empty dirt cup. Well, as for now, I mean, there wasn't much to assemble or anything. It was just like showing you and what's in the package. I personally like that it has a cord, but maybe I will hate it in the future. Yeah, I cannot wait to remove this pet hair everywhere. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will rate and review and unbox much more in the future. And if you like it, just give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, just leave. Don't do anything. Give me a comment if you have this vacuum cleaner, if you like it or not. If I did anything wrong in this video, excuse me for that. Tell me if you like it or not. Bye bye. Oh. Bye bye. I'm tired. See you soon. Your bow. Your rating queen. Review princess. What do you think about my hair? I have no idea. I would like to cut it short. Shave the sides. And just like let this hang into my face so that I don't have to see anybody. Maybe green, blue, short, long, ponytail, no ponytail.